I have two small Haas avocados. I left these out for like 20 minutes. They turned brown so fast. This one was turning brown. I had to get rid of some of the brown. This one was about to start turning brown. But I wanted to make a video because so many people throw out their Haas avocados because they turn a little brown. If they're not real brown and just a little, no reason to throw them out. Break out some adobo sauce. We could open another can. Don't want the chipotle peppers. When you buy chipotle peppers, they come in an adobo sauce. Such a smoky, delicious flavor. You can't get that out of aluminum foil. Wait for it. Amazing. Always do it with a fork so you can mash up the chunks of avocados. And now I could leave this in the fridge for a day or two, no problem. Just make sure you cover it with whatever. What will I use? Waste not, want not. Wait for it. A Corelle plate. That's why I love using the Corelle. Somebody asked me to make this video for him, so there it is. I thought I did it once before. I guess I didn't. Love it.